Hey creators, ever come across a YouTube video and wondered what exactly was that title again? Or maybe you're doing competitor research and want to copy and analyze titles fast. In this video, I'm going to show you a free and super simple tool, the YouTube Title Extractor, that lets you grab any YouTube video title in seconds. Here's why this tool is a game changer. You can easily copy video titles for keyword research, track your competitors' video strategies, save titles for inspiration or swipe files, use it for automating content workflows. Titles are the first thing that grab viewers' attention, and knowing what's working can help you create better ones. Here's the tool. It's called the YouTube Title Extractor. The link is in the description below and it works instantly in your browser. No login, no extensions, no fuss. Let me show you how it works. I'll head over to YouTube and grab a video link. Let's say this one from Mr. Beast. Copy the URL, paste it into the title extractor and click extract title. Boom! Right here the full title appears. You can now copy it with one click and use it however you like. Behind the scenes, this tool fetches video metadata directly from YouTube's public data. It's fast, lightweight, and optimized to give you just what you need, the title, with no extra distractions. Here are a few smart ways to use the YouTube Title Extractor. Build a swipe file of high-performing titles. Analyze title patterns in your niche. Extract titles for use in content planning or thumbnails. Use alongside tools like the YouTube AI tag generator for full SEO research. Bonus tip: combine this with TubeBuddy or vidIQ for even deeper insights. And that's it. With the YouTube Title Extractor, you're just one click away from grabbing titles instantly. No more right-clicking, inspecting, or guessing. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tools like this one. Try it out now, the link's in the description. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.